You've
Yeah.
seen Ranbir as a co-star, boyfriend, husband, and now father. Is there something about him as a father that surprised you?
Oh. I mean, nothing surprised me. And even if it is a surprise, it's not like didn't expect it. I always kind of inherently felt that he would be a wonderful father. But it's not even about it's not even like what you expect out of one another. It's just that it comes so, um, the bond that they share is so full of fun and they're so much fun together. They're both always troubling each other, pulling each other's leg. Like they have the most funniest conversation. They make each other laugh. They're like, and one of the things I think I'm I mean, again, this I'm not surprised by, but maybe I didn't see to that is how specific Ranveer is about Raha's fashion choices. He's always I have to go and ask him, Ranveer, what should Raha wear for this thing today? And then he'll come and he'll rummage into the wardrobe and then he'll put it together and all of that. He gets so involved deeply even into that, when you would think that I'd be the one who's dressing her up, and I'm like, no, leave it up to him. He'll do it really well. I do the other stuff. And of course, it's more than just that. I was reading something recently. It was a reel. I mean, sometimes reels really educate you. But there's a certain release of this oxytocin in your brain with father and daughter when they play and they have fun. So mom and daughter can have fun together as well. But there's this different level of fun that father-daughter have. When it comes to creative ways of having fun, it's like when they're having fun together, I can't even think of the creative ways that he entertains her, and in turn she entertains him. Like I said, it's a pleasant it's not a surprise I always expected it, but I think the creativity is definitely surprising on a day-to-day basis. And he's just wonderful, and in a very basic, simple, primal way. He doesn't even have to try too hard. It just naturally comes to him.